Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Bradley. My name is Crystal. Today we're diving into the topic that will revolutionize the way you approach your day. That's right, we're talking about time blocking. And let me tell you, it's about to become your new best friend. So grab your calendars and let's get started. Now you might be wondering, what in the world is time blocking? Well, my friend, it's a magical productivity technique that helps you control your time and boost your efficiency. It's like having a personal assistant without the hefty price tag. Plus, who wouldn't want to be their own boss, right? Here's the deal. Time is our most valuable asset, and it's consistently slipping away. But fear not, time blocking is here to save the day. By deciding specific blocks of time to your tasks and activities, you will ensure that every minute is put to good use. No more aimlessly scrolling through social media or getting lost in the rabbit hole of cat videos. Well, maybe just one or two, but we'll keep that between us, okay? Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Time blocking isn't just about being productive. It's also about injecting some fun into your schedule. Think of it as your opportunity to be the director of your life, okay? You can allocate time for your hobbies, passions, and even that guilty pleasure TV. Trust me, when you see your day beautifully organized and color-coded, you'll feel like Picasso, time of management. Let's talk efficiency. Time blocking allows you to maximize your productivity by focusing on one task at a time. No more multitasking, madness, or feeling overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list. With dedicated blocks of time, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Plus, you'll finally have a valid excuse to ignore those pesky distractions. Sorry, Instagram. I'm busy saving the world one time block at a time. Last but not least, time blocking brings a sense of structure and clarity to your day. You'll no longer have that consistent nagging feeling of forgetting something important. It's like having your own personal roadmap guiding you through each hour and ensuring you stay on track. So go ahead, grab your favorite pen, and start blocking your way to success. Okay? And there you have it, folks. Time blocking is the secret sauce to skyrocketing your productivity, injecting fun into your routine and reclaiming control of your time. So just give it a try and let us know in the comments below how it's working for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks. Until next time, keep time blocking.